Hello everyone, back again at Drawing for Kids. Enjoy watching and hopefully entertained. Today we will drawing and coloring character from the game Stumble Guys. Let's go.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding dang dong. Ding dang dong.
Nice. Let's thicken it. Let this picture show getting clearer. Do you also want to be able to draw?
Are you sleeping, Brother John?
See, it looks better, right, friends? It's time to color. Let's go. Pastel peach.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing.
We stack it with another color on the skin. Salmon pink.
Ding dang dong, ding dang dong.
Next, let's color the eyes and the hat, friends. Black.
Are you sleeping? Are
Green.
you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding dang dong.
Turquoise green.
Ding dang dong.
Next, let's color the clothes from the picture Stumble Guys. These are friends. Orange. Next, we color the pants with color. Blue.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother
Pale
John?
baby blue.
Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning
The last one is dye the shoes so that the picture looks better. Let's go.
Are you sleeping?
Cool gray.
Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing.
Yeah, finally drawing and coloring Stumble Guys. It's finished. And thank you. Have watched this video until it's finished, friends. And don't forget to watch next videos. Bye bye.